What's going on, family? We are back to install a ceiling fan in the master sitting area. All right, of course, this is a pretty simple install, but I just wanted to show you guys how I did it here. I'm changing out this old white fan. It's dirty like this because it is old. The previous homeowners, I'm assuming, never changed it and never cleaned it really. So I'm changing it out, man. The first thing you want to do is disconnect this down rod from the bracket that it's hanging on. Okay, it's pretty simple. You can use a flathead screwdriver to remove all of these pieces, and you want to disconnect the electrical wire. Here's the new fan. Just unboxing that puppy real quick. Sped up, maybe 30 times sped up. I'm installing my own new stainless steel down rod also, dropping that thing down another 18 inches. Make sure that you drop, if you are installing on a vaulted ceiling, make sure you drop the fan enough so that the blades do not hit the ceiling, okay? I'm installing that new hanging bracket. Also, you want to change that out because the previous fan's hanging bracket is very unlikely that it will fit, okay? Getting that electrical wiring twisted up, nutted up. Yeah, installing a light fixture is pretty simple. As long as you can reach everything and as long as you understand electrical safety, it is a pretty simple process. Okay. Installing those blades. Also, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver for this. It's pretty simple. Now we're going to install that LED module. So push to connect, turn it on. Simple as that. And as you can see how close those blades are to the ceiling, but it's still far enough down that it will never rub up against it. Just testing out the controls for the remote. I thought this was a pretty nice fan, man. You guys let me know what you think about it. We have things sped up, so that's why it looks like it's moving a little bit strange and jerky. And there you have it, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got plenty more coming up, and stay tuned.